away for...
Whoa.
Whoa. You know, us Scottish people, we curse like a sailor.
Yeah.
That's the thing we... Oh, what is this right here? Look at that.
Hey!
Hey, the Scots are here. Let's
Welcome
go.
to What the Fuck is in the Box.
That's right. I'm McCallaghan, Eric McClayson. That's right. I'm going
What's your
to
last
do this
name?
entire thing in Scottish.
What's your last name?
My last name is Friedman. It's from the northwestern province of Scottish land.
Sons of Scotland, I am William Wallace.
That's Wallace. Looks kind of blue.
I like what he's done with his hair.
What did you bring today, Eric?
I brought the
Wait,
Vanco
hold on.
EV4K 2006 through.
Can people win it?
Drew.
Ooh.
Well, that's right. If they're liking and commenting and subscribing through the course of this episode, they're going to be able to win it.
Your commitment is extraordinary.
I'm going to get
wait.
tongue-tied at some point when we start talking about the 4K Ultra 4x4x4 Chromacrest.
Chromecast.
Chroma.
Okay. We have promised the Peanut Gallery we will finish this in under 5 minutes.
Let's
today.
roll. All right, I'm
probably a
done.
timer like
Let's
right
go.
here. Ready?
EV4K 2006.
What is it,
HDMI.
Eric? What does it do?
It's an HDMI extender.
What does it do?
It sends HDMI through an extender, extending it across the land.
How far, Eric? How far does it extend?
It'll transmit 4K up to, I think, what do we say, 164 feet,
that's
4K.
what it says,
That's what it says?
Yep,
You reading the
164
notes?
feet. Yeah, I got them right in front of me.
Oh, yeah, look at
Hey,
that.
real quick, box, fantastic looking. Right?
Beautiful box.
Beautiful box, nice finish. If you've got a showroom, it'll fit nice up on the wall, but this is really installer product, right? You know,
Yeah, 100%. Best way to explain what it is, honestly, if you need one of the top of the line HDMI extenders, right, that'll do all the features, all the bandwidth, all the stuff you need, it's going to be that piece.
Can I open the box?
Please.
One
I
thing
thought
real
you
quick.
would.
Sticker. Why is that important?
I think you know. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No answer is going to be right.
It's QC'd. Every single piece for Vanco goes through a QC, and they put a sticker on it so you know that it passed the QC.
I'm going to get my own QC sticker so that every time I do these, I can QC it.
Never
3 minutes and counting, Drew. Tech support.
Hey,
Vanco's tech
all right,
support's
we're getting
amazing. You
focused.
call them anytime. They will pick up. They will help you. Call them in the field if you're diagnosing stuff, especially with extenders. You got all kinds of EDID and handshake issues. Right, so it's a good idea when you're out in the field, call the folks at Vanco if you're having any issues, and they will let you know. So as I was saying, as you're pulling this stuff up, right, this extender has all the bells and whistles. It's going to do the 4K at 60 hertz. It's going to do your 444, right?
Yep.
Chroma sampling. I think I said chroma cast
You said
earlier.
chroma casting, yep.
Chroma sampling. Do you know what the 444 is? Sure.
444 is...
Sampling?
I know it has to do with the 4K. That much I know. I don't know the technical spec for exactly what 444 stands for.
Yeah, me neither.
Wow, that was good.
No, so the first 4 relates to the Luma, and then they break down the other 4s with the Chroma, right? So essentially what they're doing is they're giving more importance to the lighting and the resolution within the lighting of the picture, and then they're subsampling out the color on those.
That's great.
Yeah.
So one of the big things with this I think is neat is
You just brushed past a really deep technical thing without any credit.
Doesn't it hurt when that happens?
Yes.
It happens to me all the time, so I felt like I'd repay it. Hey,
Jerk.
thin, very thin. How thin?
Super thin. That's a ½ inch at least.
0.7.
0.7.
You just went right past. That was a good stat. I knew it.
Yeah.
It's on the box. I lied.
Whatever.
So why don't you go over what this is, bud?
This is an HDMI extender that does 444, 4K at 60 hertz, up to 164 feet. I think we covered it.
Well, good.
Yeah, so the other cool things about this, actually, it is POC, power over cable. You can put it on either end. It's bi-directional POC, so that gives you a lot of flexibility with where you need to put the wall wart. It's also bi-directional IR. So you can put your source in one room, you can put your display in another room. With the bi-directional IR, you can actually control it from the other room if you need to.
It's pretty important to note, right, that there is a transmitter and receiver, correct?
Yes, there is a transmitter, there is a receiver. Said so by the words on the unit there.
Marked right on it for you.
That's right.
Transmitter, receiver. Very
That's
good.
right. So it does have the auto EDID feature in there, so the handshaking stuff, it's going to look at the source, it's going to look at the display, it's going to talk to each other, decide what they want to see, what they're looking for, so you're going to have less handshaking issues, more connectivity.
And passes more than just video, right?
IR as well. Is that what you're getting at?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Does
Yeah,
pass
the bidirectional
IR as well.
IR,
Yep, yep.
absolutely. And you come with the little stickies so you can stick them to your rack as needed, some
Uh-huh.
spacers, and some, not mounting hardware, but the little plug for the plug.
Yeah, that's for your actual wall wart if you use the wall wart, right? So, again, does pass power, does pass IR, does pass video, does pass audio, up to 164 feet, 4K, 4x4x4.
It'll do HDCP.
Has all your handshakes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So all your control can come through it. That's a killer piece.
Yeah,
That's
it's
really
a great
good
piece.
piece.
We sell a ton of these.
This is something you should have on every truck, right?
That's right.
Every
And they
truck,
could
every
have
job.
one of these on that truck if
Wait,
they were to
how?
win it.
But who would give that away?
We would give it away. We would give it away.
No way.
We're giving it away every week. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Now.
You didn't do it again.
Give it away now.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Hi, let's bring it home, Drew. What
All
do we
right.
have to? Who do we thank for this, please?
The lovely folks over at Vanco.
Ooh.
Mark.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Mark. Oof, it's getting bad.
That was
Thank
real
you,
bad.
Mark.
Thanks,
And
Mark.
thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video.
We appreciate those.
Pop us a share.
We do.
Pop us a share.
Please do all
Which
three
is
of
not a
those.
Smurf.
No, share us.
Pop us a share.
I see what you did.
Thanks.
That was clever.
All right. I'm out of funny stuff. If I had some to begin with.
I never had any. See you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Was it 5 minutes?
See you later.
Where's the timer?
No,
There's a
way
timer
over
right here.
5 minutes.
The timer's
7.5.
right here.
7.5. I'm getting 7.5.
Right here.